We had to strip this one down. We were having problems with the underside of it, all these pulleys and stuff, and making noises. And the rear end, I think, was making a noise, so we took all that apart, fixed everything's wrong with it, cleaned it up real quick. Gonna start putting it back together tomorrow. Well, excuse me, Monday. This is a troy-Bilt Bronco. Working on this one too. Got this super nice Toro rebuilt engine, Kohler. I also have this one, super nice Toro. Them two Toros ready to go. I also have this nice Craftsman zero turn. It's ready to go. We're gonna be working on this one pretty soon. This is a 60-inch commercial, 28 horsepower Kawasaki. We're gonna rebuild the engine on this one too. And I also have 2 commercial mowers at my house. We redo them. We don't halfway do these. We want them to be nice when we get rid of them.